You're throwing money away! Your fridge is killing food! And you do this every day! This is what most people's fridges look like. You paid for this, and now it's trash. And no, it's not the food's fault. It's small fridge mistakes that silently waste your money every week. Full fridge, big mistake. I can't breathe! There's no airflow! This air vent is blocked. Overstuffing creates cold spots and warm spots. Warm spots, bacteria's favorite party.
That's your money evaporating.
Gravity is not storage! If air can't move, food won't last. Leave a gap near the back. Always. Make one set shelf. Eat first. Fix this once. Save money every week. The air vent is blocked. Cold air cannot move. Food spoils faster. Air can't move in here. Cold air comes from here. This blocks the air. Too cold here. Too warm there. Too cold. We need space!
Now air can move.
Same fridge, better result. Next mistake, even worse. Why is everything just open? That's me. That's how bacteria spreads. Why does the milk smell like onion? No container, no protection. No container, faster spoilage. I dry out faster when I'm open. You paid for this. Wait, what's that?
Now we're protected.
No leaks, no smells. Containers slow spoilage.
Less waste, more money saved.
People forget to clean this. Old spills never disappear.
Clean food, dirty fridge.
A dirty fridge makes food spoil faster.
This expired 2 weeks ago. Expired food hides back here.
This is expired. It affects fresh food. Check dates every week. I don't know what to eat first.
One shelf, one rule.
Eat this shelf first. Less waste, more money saved. You're still wasting food and throwing money away, and we're not done yet! Part 3 is coming.